Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain vector directions and hopefully you'll be able to get a better understanding of how to write them if you're struggling with them. So to start off with, let's draw a coordinate plane or a compass with north, east, south, and west. And then if we have a vector drawn on there, say this, there are two ways we can give the direction that it's going. So we have this angle here that we can use, or we can use this angle here. So if this green angle is the one we decide to pick, let's say that it has a 50 degrees angle to it. We would say 50 degrees east of north. We say east of north because the second word here, north, it's the line, the axis that it's touching. And then east tells us which way we're going off of that axis. So in this case, we're going to the right or east of it. For the other angle here, the red one, this would be 40 degrees because 90 minus 50 would give us that angle of 40 because both of these are going to add up to 90. And this would be 40 degrees north of east. So that second word, in this case east, tells us the axis we're touching. The first word is going to tell you which way you're going from there. So in this case, we're going north of it. All right. If we had an angle down here, this would be south of east if we're talking about this part of it, and this would be east of south because we are for this one we are touching the east axis, and this one we're touching the south axis with our angles. If we had a vector over here, we would have south of west for this angle and west of south if we're talking about that one. And then up here would be west of north and then north of west if we're talking about those. All right. So that kind of gives you a better understanding. So just to recap, the big thing is that the second word in it tells you which axis you're touching. The first word tells you which way you're going off of that axis. So if our second word is east, we're going to touch the east axis. The first word is going to tell us whether we're going to go north of that or south of that. All right. So I hope this kind of clarifies that for you. Let me know if you have any questions.